Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SkillUp Tutorials one lesson at a time. In today's video, I am going to tell about how to download and install Visual Studio and how to run JavaScript codes. Okay, just type Visual Studio Code in Google search and you will see like this and click on this. You will see an option to download for Windows. Click on this. It will take some time to download. You can see it here. Just wait for few more minutes. As you can see here, the download was done. And let's go and check. See, download is completed and double click on this. You need to accept this license agreement. I accept the agreement and click on next. This is the default where the file should be saved, and if you want you can change also the address and click on next and next and next and click on install finally. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete. And also we need to install node.js to run JavaScript codes. I will also show that. Okay, it's almost done. Mm, yes, it is done. Click on finish. Automatically the window will be opened. Before doing this, we need to install one more thing, that is node.js. Go back and search for node.js. Node.js. Here you can see node.js run JavaScript everywhere. This is download node.js LTS. LTS means long term support. Now click on this download. It takes few minutes to download. After completing this, we can install this. And I think it was done. Let's go and check. Yeah, it was done. Next, and you need to accept the agreement as we done before. Click on next and next. This is the default address where it will be installed. If you want you can change that and click on next. Click on next. This is like a additional extensions. If you want you can install, but no, I am not installing. We can install it later. Okay, click on next. Install. Click on yes. If you get anything like this, do you want to allow this or not? Click on yes. It is almost done, and we can create any file for Visual Studio where we want to store, and I will also show that after completing this. And also we can run our programs in command prompt also. Okay, this was done. Click on finish. Yeah, it was done. And now I created a folder called Visual Studio in my day folder because I want to store all my JavaScript programs here. So I created a folder so that all my programs will be kept in a place so that I can refer it later. And you can check whether the Visual Studio code is installed or not by going to command prompt. Mm, Enter node and enter. Okay, now you can see I entered node and then click on enter so that JavaScript compiler was opened. You can also type your simple codes here and check. Yes, it was compiled successfully and we got output also. so that we can check it like this. And now I will show how can I create a file from the folder where I want to save. So double click on this and open in terminal and see the address here D and then Visual Studio. Here I want to create a folder, so that you need to enter code space dot, just dot, then enter code and then space and then dot and click on enter. Then it will be opened. See, this is the folder which I have created. See, Visual Studio. You can give any name, not only Visual Studio. So I gave Visual Studio and you can see it here. This is called Explorer. In Explorer, our folder will be there, and here you can create your all files, and this is called extensions. I will talk about it later. Go to Explorer and then see create new file. Click on this and give any name which you want to give, like test.js. I am giving my first file name. So I click on enter, and then type your code, just like as this is the basic video for running the JavaScript code, so I am just typing the basic code. And then if you want to execute, then go to the terminal, top left, before left, help, click on terminal, select new terminal, and then you can run this code in two ways, that is command prompt and PowerShell. I will select first command prompt. Here plus and then arrow, click on command prompt. Here you can see like this, and you need to enter node space file name. What is the file name? Text.js, and then enter. See here your output was not visible. That means the file was not saved successfully. Okay. Then to do this you need to enter Control S to save the file first, so that it will be saved and we will get the output. What you need to do, just Control plus S, that's it. Now once again we try to execute the code, s.js. Yes, now you can see the output. And then I will show in PowerShell also. Just I will type it here. How can we do? In command prompt, just node space file name dot js. Then in PowerShell, I will open the PowerShell and will show. There are two ways. The first easy way is node space file name and then enter tab. See, I will show how it works. Node space, what is the file name? Test. Just give test and then enter tab. So like this you will get. So the second way to do this is, no, you need to enter by manual. Node space dot backslash file name dot js, and then click on enter. See, you will get the output. Instead of typing all these things, we have a easier way. That is, see in the top right corner, the run code is there. If you want to do this, first you need to install the code runner. So go to extensions, click on extensions and type code runner. Many compilers are available, but I am selecting code runner. This is mostly used compiler by many people, and you need to install this. I already installed this. Here you can see you can run C++, Java, and all this you can execute by using this code runner. So if you haven't installed it, please install this. And I am going to my file and just click on run button. Before running, every time Please save the file. Okay, run. See, SkillUp tutorials. This was executed successfully. That's all about today's video. I hope you understand. If you have any queries, please comment below. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Double click on this.